Right everyone, Web Collector here. Right, this is going to be a review of the Wuben I333 Black Vulture tactical flashlight. So you get this off of Amazon, and this is how you get it. This is the nice sort of presentation box. I'll just quickly show you that. So that's how you get it. Really nice presentation box. It's got a magnet sort of fasteners. But I won't go over the box too much, but this is how you get it anyway. And what you get in the box is you get the flashlight, the battery, the USB wire, a lanyard and some spares, your instructions, and a sort of little card from Wuben there. So what we'll do now, we'll go over the torch and everything else. I'll just quickly show you the accessories. So you get a nice little paracord lanyard. There's your spares, which is a couple of O-rings, and your USB wire for charging the torch flashlight here. I'll put those to the side and we'll show you the actual torch now. So this is exactly how you'd get the torch out of the box. I'll take this little tag off. Don't really need that. That tag just says about how to turn it on and that when it's charging. So this is the Black Vulture. This is a lovely torch. You can see the nice sort of cut out detail on it. It's called the Black Vulture. The actual full title I think is Wuben I333 Black Vulture. It's an 18650 flashlight where you just unscrew the tail cap here, put the 18650 battery in which you get with it, which is a 2600 milliamp battery, fully rechargeable. This comes with it. And just screw the end back on. So let's just turn it on. You have a button here for changing the settings that has a little light on it. I'll just turn this down to the lowest setting, and you press that one to change the settings. When that's blue, it is between 50 and 100%, so fully charged, and you know it's got decent enough power in it. When it turns red, that means it's between 10% and 40%, so you're going to need to recharge it. And if it's red flashing, it's under 10%, so you know you need to charge it straight away. Starts off on, when you turn it on, starts off on full power, which is 1100 lumens. And then you can cycle through. The modes are 100%, 40%, 20%, 7% and moon, and you've also got SOS and strobe. SOS and strobe, you just double click. Hang on, maybe I'm not doing it quick enough. You just double click the front button there. I think I'm pressing it too quickly. Don't press it too fast. There. Yeah, if you press it too fast, it doesn't register. So it's just two front clicks there. That's to do the SOS and the strobe. So you've got removable pocket clip. The body of the torch is aircraft grade aluminium with a hard anodized finish on it. And just there is the little cap to where you charge the battery. So you don't need to take the battery out, just leave it in. You use the wire, plug it into any USB, and it's a micro USB, so if you lose this wire you can pretty much use any sort of phone chargers. And again, I assume that battery, the battery indicator light will change colours as it's charging, so you'll know. Got a tactical bezel, toughened glass lens. You've got the sort of cutouts for the, you know, tactical element of it when you're using this in holds and stuff. CREE LED, pretty much last 20 to 25 years. You know, you're never going to need to replace these. I don't even think you can replace them, and you shouldn't ever need to. I'll just go over the runtime to that. So for 100%, it is 1100 lumens, and that lasts for 1.4 hours. 40% is 300 lumens and lasts for 3 hours. 20% is 165 lumens and lasts 8.1 hours. 7% is 22 lumens and would run for 70 hours. And the moon, which is 2.5 lumens, would run for 325 hours. And strobe and SOS are the same as 100% mode. So, what else we got to talk about? Tail cap. There it is there. Turn it on and off. It says Wuben on it. You've got your cutouts for your lanyard and the cutouts to make it easier to press the button. Removable clip. This is fully waterproof to IPX8, which means it's waterproof to 2 meters, you know, fully submerged, and it's impact resistant to 1.5 meters. So I'll tell you what I'll do now. I'll show you some footage indoors, outdoors, and me walking up my path so you can see it like being used. Right, so this is the black Vulture indoors. Starts on 100%. 40, 20, 7, moon. The moon is still quite good on its own, the moon setting. And this is the strobe. Right, so this is the Wuben Black Vulture, and when you first turn it on, it starts on high, and it goes to 40%, 20%, 7%, and then moon setting, which is quite a low setting, so 100, 40, 20, 7, moon. This is the torch on 20%. Just going to show you walking down the path with it. Right, so yeah, that was the test. As you can see, this is a very nice, powerful flashlight. You know, 7 modes. You've got 7 modes. I reckon this would be great for sort of security work, but also good for, you know, hunting, dog walking, running, any sort of outdoors, fishing, hiking, caving. Brilliant quality, one of the best quality torch I've ever seen, to be honest, and you'd expect it to be for 65 quid, you know, but this is absolute lovely torch, and you get the free battery with it, which is always a massive bonus. The dimensions are 15.8 centimeters long, it's 3.1 centimeters at the head, and the sort of rest of the body is 2.7 centimeters. So it's about just over an inch handle with a slightly thicker head. And beam distance, if I didn't say, was 283 meters. So it's got a nice long distance beam as well. So yeah, that is the Black Vulture from Wuben. Highly recommended. 65 quid. There'll be links in the more info section if you want this, to Amazon, or just search Amazon for it, but use the links and it'd just be easy and quicker to get there, and if I can add a discount I will. Yeah, really nice torch, I think. You can see the quality of it. Got that lovely display case, you know, box with it. Highly recommended. Wuben I333 black Vulture tactical flashlight. Links are in the more info section. I hope you found this video helpful. See you later.